we guide you through how to fix Android Auto not working. So the first thing you need to do is to check your USB cable because a fault or low quality cable is one of the most common cause. So switch to an original high speed data cable, then make sure your phone is compatible and updated by going to settings and installing the latest Android version. Next, clear the cache of Android Auto by going to Settings, Apps, Android Auto, Storage, then tap Clear Cache and force Stop. After that, restart both your phone and your car system to reset the connection. Now, open Android Auto again and repair your car by removing it from both your phone's Bluetooth settings and your car system. Then reconnect from scratch. If it still doesn't work, check app permissions and make sure location, phone, and contacts are all enabled because missing permissions can break functionality. Also, disable battery optimization for Android Auto so it runs properly in the background. And finally, if you are using wireless connection, ensure your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are both stable and turned on.